Hi, this is Brian Aldrich from 4th Street Software. Today I had a customer contact me on Delphi forums saying that he couldn't get one of the game options to work correctly in his game. And I explained on the response to him that each of the teams and all the 4th Street software entities have a different set of game options possible. That's due mainly to the baseball game having the American League rules versus the National League rules, the DH, etc. And I wanted to make that a possibility for all of the teams in all of the programs that I did. And so consequently, there is a way to make them all the same in all of the sports games that I've released. To do that, first of all, open up the season you're working with, obviously, and then settings and options, settings and preferences, rather, tab. And in the hockey game, this is the way it'll set up. The other games are similar to this. And as you can see, I've got all of the rules set up. By the way, I'm not even sure which team I'm working with right now, so let's go back here. I guess it's Detroit. But this would be the same process for all of the teams. Okay, so no matter which one you have selected currently, it'll work this way. All right, and the problem he was reporting was that the computer was not using the on-ice touch method. Okay, so right now I've got the handle assist mode set for on ice touches. The default is actually the hybrid system. So I'm going to set it back to hybrid here just to demonstrate how to set this. Again, this will work for any of the options on any of these tab pages here. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we've got use hybrid, and now go to the teams option, and I need to save that. As you can see, it's currently on Detroit. So we've saved. Okay, then I'm going to select all the teams in the league, and this is an older season, so it's the original 6. We'll click on this guy, and that'll select all the teams, and then simply go down here and hit transfer. And what that will do is it'll fan out all of these rules for each one of these teams. And it'll it'll clone them for, in this case, Detroit's passing over to all the other teams. So now, if I click on New York and go into their options and go to rules, I can see that the handle assist mode is set with use hybrid. Now for him, he wanted actually the on-ice touches, so we'll do the same thing in reverse. So we'll just go to on-ice touches, go to teams, save, select all, and transfer. And now if I go back to Detroit or Montreal, let's go pick them instead, and go to the rules, we see that we're using on-ice touches.